Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be helping you match the perfect eyelash for your eye shape. There are going to be 6 different eye shapes that I'm going to be going through today, and I'm going to be matching them up with our entire Silly George range of false eyelashes. I'm going to be telling you which eyelashes are going to be perfect for your particular eye shape, as well as letting you know what type of styles you should avoid. This is honestly one of the most common questions we get here at Silly George, so hopefully this video will be helpful and it will help you find your perfect match. Let's go. So the first eye shape is Almond, and it is actually my eye shape. So we have a perfect example right here. Almond eyes are the most universal eye shape for false lashes. And if you have this eye shape, you are very lucky because they are actually super versatile and will match with pretty much any false eyelash. Almond eyes look amazing with a cat eye, so I'm gonna be showing you a couple of lashes that I think really enhance the cat eye look. These lashes are big and bold and not everyone can pull them off, so I think if you've got it, you should use it. Next up, we have hooded eyes, and this is probably one of the most common questions we get here at Silly George. What eyelashes suit hooded eyes? Hooded eyes are beautiful, and you really want to emphasize that shape by picking a lash that will taper out on the edge and maybe has a few longer lashes around the middle section. This lash type will help to create depth and will really accentuate that beautiful natural shape that you have. Next up is Monolid eyes. Now, if you have this eye shape, you are very lucky because you have this amazing blank canvas for eyeshadows. You can create so many amazing looks with the amount of space that you have above your eyes. We would recommend staying away from really bold and dense lashes, as it can actually make your eyelids look a bit heavy. What we would recommend is going for a smaller and lighter eyelash, maybe one that has a slight natural crisscross on the lashes that's going to look really natural on the eyelid. Natural lashes look amazing on this eye type. Now it's time for round eyes, and very similar to almond eyes, they look great with a winged out liner. So you want to go for those lashes that do really accentuate that cat eye look. So wispy and winged out lashes are your go-to. That winged out and wispy lash is also going to help to create more of an almond shape in your eyes and really lengthen them out so they don't look as round. We would also recommend staying away from the really over the top and bold lashes because they can make your eyes look a lot smaller. If that's something you're going for, that's fine. But they do tend to look the best with those really long lashes on the edge, creating that cat eye. We also have a great range of lashes for small eyes. Now, if you have small eyes, it can be difficult to find a lash that will fit properly, but we have plenty in the Silly George range that are going to be perfect for you. You definitely want to avoid going for the really big and bold and heavy lashes. Something a lot lighter, shorter, and more wispy is going to look amazing on your lash. We actually already have a couple of lashes that are shorter in length, but you should always be measuring your lashes and snipping the edges to make sure they fit. So if you do have a smaller eye, you can actually take some scissors and make sure they fit yourself. Upturn eyes. Now, you are very, very lucky if you have this eye shape because much like almond eyes, it is very universal and will match with pretty much any eyelash shape. If you have this eye shape, I would really recommend going for the more like bold and out there lashes, just simply because you can really have fun with this eye shape. And with that done, that is all the eye shapes covered. I really hope you found this video helpful. I hope it helped you to find the perfect lash for you. Leave a comment down below telling us what your favorite lash from the range is, and I will see you again very soon with another video.